What you apply on your skin and what you use to apply these products have an effect on your skin's health, appearance, and condition. We are talking about your makeup brushes. Ladies, marami sa atin ang guilty kapag pinag-uusapan na ang makeup brushes. Madalas kasi wala tayong time para linisin ang mga ito. Before pandemic, almost every day ginagamit natin ang mga ito. Now that we have a stay-at-home protocol, we do not use these brushes as often. Despite this, nag-accumulate pa rin sila ng dirt from dust. And sometimes, they get soiled because of the makeup products themselves. It's very, very important that we clean them every now and then. So what's the right way to clean your makeup brushes? Let's watch this.
Is now. The future is now. The future is now. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away. I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
It's always very important to be hygienic, but more so during these times. One of the many ways to do so is to keep everything you use clean and sanitized. When you do this, nami-minimize mo ang possibility ng allergies, irritation, bacteria, and even the virus. I am Nicolette Henson-Hizon. Join us daily here and on our official Facebook account, CLTV36, and YouTube account, CLTV36 Official, as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.